Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. Life isn't worth living unless you have a bucket list. I love bucket lists because it allows me to dream and hopefully one day I will be able to accomplish some of these things. I had to make one for myself as the internet is buzzing still these days with these lists. I hope you enjoy these items, and if you do, make sure you smash that like button. Let's get right into it. Number one, run a marathon. Not one of those 10K runs, a full marathon, 42 kilometers long or 26 miles. Number two, travel somewhere truly luxurious. The place I would love to go to is Bora Bora in one of their underwater bungalows. Number three, buy tickets to a music festival and rage with the best of them, like the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival or KCON. Number four, eat at a 3 Michelin star restaurant. Number five, cook a huge meal and throw a dinner party for friends. Number six is to buy your dream car. I was thinking this Jaguar F-Type R Dynamic convertible right now. Number seven, go on a cruise in another continent. It may be a European one or Australian one. Number eight is to complete the local food bucket list. Number nine, go scuba diving. Number 10, splurge on an item that you technically can't afford but will last for years, like this Rolex Submariner date or the CLX RA X299 Ultra Performance Gaming Computer. I haven't decided what I want yet. Number 11, attend a major sports event. I would love to attend the opening ceremony of the Olympics. Number 12, take a class that's totally out of your element. I really want to do a barista class. Sounds really cool. Number 13, buy a premium SUV. At the current time, I want to get either this Nissan Murano or the Cadillac XT6. Number 14, get lost in a foreign country. I was visioning something like the Amazing Race. No maps, no prep, and a set amount of cash. Pick 3 locations and get there. I want to do it in a big city like Beijing. Number 15 is to take a cross-country road trip. I was thinking going down the east coast of the US in an RV. Number 16 is to sign up for a mentor. I would go through my professional association and mentor through there. Number 17, join an intramural team. I was thinking hockey, floor hockey, or ultimate frisbee. Number 18 is learn to speak a new language. I'm going to cheat a little bit and take Chinese. Surprisingly, I can't read and write Chinese, so I think this would be my goal. Number 19 is to write a book. I have started writing this Ash Method book, and hopefully you'll see it on Amazon soon. Number 20 is to follow through with an idea of an app. I want to build an app on Android or iPhone. Number 21 is to learn to surf. This is always something I wanted to learn. Number 22 is to start a restaurant. I'm thinking of starting one to honor my grandma's cooking. Number 23 is to buy a larger property that is 2,500 square feet or larger. Number 24 is to ride a hot air balloon. It's always something I wanted to do. Number 25 is to perfect the holiday dinners. I'm thinking Thanksgiving and Christmas. It has to be picture perfect. Number 26 is to support a cause by creating a non-profit organization. I'm thinking something along the lines of housing for low-income people. Number 27 is to take a helicopter ride, possibly one to overlook the Grand Canyon or a vacation destination. Number 28 is be an audience member of a talk show or be a guest of a talk show. Hopefully, it'll be Saturday Night Live or a game show like The Price is Right. Number 29 is to stay at a luxury hotel for a week. This has to be the full package: 5 stars, valet parking, room service. Number 30 is to go to flight school. I would love to become a commercial pilot one day. Number 31 is to hire and have a team for ash management. I think this would be a great achievement. Number 32 is to fly in an Uber private jet. I hope this way is cheaper than hiring your own private charter. Number 33 is to throw myself a huge birthday party. I'm thinking I will do this for my 40th birthday. Number 34 is to meet a hero. I would love to meet either Chef Ramsay or a CEO of a tech company like Bill Gates, or maybe even Warren Buffett. Number 35 is to go all out at Disney World. That means 7-day pass, eat at the restaurants inside the resorts, stay at the Disney resorts, and go to all the shows. Number 36 is to monetize my YouTube channel. This one is complete and I did it in 2020. So excited! Number 37 is to get my MBA. Number 38 is to have an all-day spa experience. It could be here locally or in another country. Number 39 is to get in shape and have a model's body. Lastly, number 40 is to watch every film on the American Film Institute Top 100. I really hope you enjoyed this list, as this has really helped me to reimagine what my life could be like and what kind of life I would want. I hope this also inspires you to create your own list. Feel free to take some of my ideas and tweak it if that's what you want to do. If you do end up taking some of these ideas, don't forget to smash that like button. Make sure you comment down below which ones you liked and what you would add on this list. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you join me and the many others at the Daddy Dat Facebook group with our growing numbers. This list has helped me stay focused on becoming a millionaire. Not only was this item on the list, it also motivates me to work harder so that I can do all these things. I hope this list will also help you reach that dream goal faster, whether that's the dream house that you've always wanted, like this house in the landscape by Nico Architect. Travel the world and go on a cruise, party like there's no tomorrow. Be financially independent and retire early. Whatever your dream is, I hope this video has helped you reach there. Thanks for watching, and until next time. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.